3 Major Web Development Trends 2018. Trends in web development some of the time change quicker than they can be actualized. That is the reason it is vital to be on the ball. So don't think what are the trends today, always think what will be the trends tomorrow. In this article, we are trying to predict a few of web development trends for coming years. If you think to get a website or redesign your website, then you should consider the following points. Number 1. Progressive web applications. The world initially caught wind of progressive web applications in 2015. After the year we met the pioneers of this innovation, and in 2018 progressive web applications appear to have turned into the major competitor of native mobile apps. PWAs, progressive web applications, are sites that sense like native mobile applications. On account of service administration specialists, they can work offline and be conveying an amazing user experience. The user can find the easy route to the site if they save the shortcut on their home screen in the event that they utilize it much of the time. Administration operator keeps running out of site and guarantees that the most recent data is stored each time the device is connected to the web. The capacity to work without any connection is one of the significant favorable advantages of progressive web applications. PWAs are picking up footing and turning into a genuine web improvement slant. Some world's driving organizations demonstrate the effectiveness of this innovation. The online business site Flipkart encountered a 70% expansion in changes and tripled the time spent on their webpage after the launch of the PWA variant of the site. Also, the informational site The Washington Post detailed a very nearly 5-fold increment in user engagement. PWAs have fewer features on iOS devices since the platform doesn't bolster service benefit specialists. Be that as it may, Flipkart and The Washington Post have demonstrated that the progressive web applications fundamentally enhance user engagement in transformations on all platforms. The UX of the PWAs proved the key part. After such motivating instance, the world anticipates the build-up around the progressive web applications in 2018. Despite the fact that the innovation is very new, its prospects look exceptionally encouraging. Number 2. Online client support. 2016 was the time of chatbots and 2017 is the time of supportive chatbots. Since there are a great many bots out now, the quality of their service will be the following web advancement drift. The expectation is that 80% of all client communications will proceed without human help till 2020. Chatbot turns into an absolute necessity on relatively every site. Regardless of whether you are selling gadgets, knitted toys or programming advancement service, you ought to have a chatbot. The conversational interface has changed the way organizations interact with their clients. Having a bot on the organization's site guarantees you are in contact with your customer whenever, in any circumstance. The client benefit chatbot gives the customer a sentiment associating with a human. The bot is savvy enough to answer as often as possible made inquiries, to divert customers to the required page, to assist them with choosing the correct item and even to proceed with payment. And this benefit comes without the round-the-clock client support section. In 2018, clients will lean towards sites with suitable online help. You can make a client support office, or get a chatbot that will control a potential customer through your site. The second alternative will enable you to save time and resources along with upgrade the working procedure. Henceforth these features affirm to adopt backquote chatbots at any website. Number 3. Push notifications for websites. Mobile applications notices ended up being a profoundly productive method for client re-engagement. Also, as of late this thought has been actualized for sites, and is ending up new web improvement idea. The work process looks very basic, like the client visits a site, and is offered to enable push notices. The client will then be notified of any changes on the site, like another blog entry or private message, even after he has shut the tab on that site. The significant advantage of such an innovation is self-evident. You can keep the client connected without enormous endeavors. Now and again, push notices can't be a less expensive option to a mobile application. They send new information instantly and divert the client to the site to discover more. push notification beep messages, SMS and online networking in providing up-to-date information. They're fast, gone ahead time, and don't require any muddled activities. They are simply easy to understand. Since push notices are simply making the initial phases of user engagement, you have an opportunity to go ahead of this innovation in 2018. Nowadays, having a site is more essential for the organization than having an office. Being in front of web development trends implies attracting new clients, fulfilling existing clients, and urging more seasoned clients to return. Is it true that you are going to make or overhaul your site? Get in touch with us to complete it as per the last word in web advancement. Thank you for watching. For more information about web development, visit our website www.ofinternationalservices.com.